Dear students, welcome to our mathematics class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, circles. So let us start our introduction of circles. What is circles? The collection of all the points in a plane which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point in the plane is called a circle. Here we have two things. One is fixed point and fixed distance. From these two, we can construct a circle by using compass or thread. So here the fixed point is known as center of the circle and the fixed distance is known as radius, small letter r. We can use small letter r, radius of the circle. Look at this figure. O is the center of the circle and OP is the radius of the circle. The next one is a circle divides the plane on which it lies into three parts. Simply, we have three area in a circle. What are they? Inside the circle. First one is inside the circle, that is called interior of the circle. And the second one is on the circle. On the circle means the perimeter or circumference of the circle. Then third one is outside the circle, that is called exterior of the circle. Then the circle and its interior make up the circular region. Okay. Then next one is chord. What is chord? A line segment whose end points lie on the circle. Simply take any point on the circle and join them. You will get a line segment that are called chord. In this figure, PQ is the chord and the diameter. A diameter is the longest chord and all diameters have the same length. Then again we can say a diameter is the chord which passes through the center of the circle, that are called diameter. Okay, the diameter means the line, the chord or the line segment passes through the center, that are called diameter. In this figure, AB is the diameter of the circle, that is double of radius. Double of radius means 2r. R is the radius and double of r means 2r is the diameter of the circle. The next one is circumference. What is circumference? The length of the complete circle is called circumference of the circle. How to find the circumference of the circle? We have a formula. The formula is 2 pi r. Pi means 22 by 7 or 3.14. Already you learned in the earlier classes. So 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle. Then here r is the radius and pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. A piece of a circle between two points is called an arc. So we have two arcs. One is minor arc, the second one is major arc. The circle between two points P and Q. Look at this figure, P and Q. The small portion that are called minor arc of the circle. And the remaining portion, that is P, R, Q, that are called major arc of this circle. Okay, so PQ is the minor arc and PRQ is the major arc of this circle. The next one is segment. The region between a chord and either of its arcs is called a segment of the circular region. Here we have two segments, one is minor segment and the second one is major segment. See the figure, the yellow portion, that is called minor segment and the next thing is major segment. Okay, so we have two types, one is major segment and the second one is minor segment. So simply we can say minor segment is small portion of the circle and major segment is the larger area, that are called major segment. Okay. The next one is sector. The region between an arc and the corresponding two radii is called a sector. Then again we have two types of sector. One is minor sector and the second one is major sector. So here we have the radius OP and OQ. Then we have a portion. That portion is blue color in this figure. So that is minor sector. And the remaining portion is major sector. The same way we can say minor sector have small area and the major sector have a larger area. Okay, so here we have some questions related to this topic. Do yourself, and also we have a true or false questions, and try yourself and write in your notebook. Thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.